big surprise! AIRial and TVPlus Go have new features. Remember, we used to have one TVPlus Go dongle for one smart device to watch TV. But now, with AIRial's new function, you only need one dongle and every smart device can watch TV. How to do it? Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the devices needed. If you are in the Philippines, you need an ISDBT antenna, a MCX connector, a TVPlus Go dongle, a USB adapter, a set-top box. And you also need a monitor and home Wi-Fi. Now, connect them together. We're going to provide you some more details. First, connect MCX to the antenna. Be careful to choose the right side. And then, connect to the TVPlus Go dongle. Connect to the USB adapter. Plug into the set-top box. Now, just connect to the monitor and you are done with the setup. Step 2. Install and set up AIRial on the set-top box. Open the Wi-Fi settings of the TV and connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure all the smart devices and the TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi. This is an important step. Be careful. Now, go to Google Play and search for AIRialTV. Find AIRialTV GO for Android TV. Install and wait a minute. Open AIRialTV GO. Click Always Open. Press OK. Choose your country and scan. Wait a few seconds for scanning. Scan finished. Congratulations. Press OK. Now you can watch TV. You can press up and down buttons on the remote control to switch channels. Press the left button. You can see the channel list. Select channel and press OK from your remote control. Now you have completed the gateway setup. Step 3. Install AIRial on your smart devices, phone or tablet. Open Google Play and download AIRialTV GO. Make sure you are on the same Wi-Fi as the set-top box. Open AIRialTV GO. Allow access. Register or sign in to an account. Choose Gateway. AIRial will detect and show the available gateways. Choose the gateway you've set, enter your name, Now you can watch TV on the smart device. You can also connect to the same gateway on other smart devices at the same time. Have a look. They all connect to AIRial 0804. Here's just a sample. Up to 3 smart devices can watch at the same time on one gateway. Each device can choose a different channel to watch. Is it cool? Advanced settings. Now let's see other new features. Go to Gateway Management. Enter the default password 1234. The password can be changed in the settings. In the user menu, you can see all the current gateway users. Go to Quiet Time menu and click New Quiet Time below. Name this New Quiet Time. Set the start and end time of this quiet time. Set the day of the week. You can choose any day. And set the users. The selected users will not be able to watch TV during the quiet time. Save settings. Quiet time has been added. You can also change the gateway name and password. Go to the Settings menu and click Change Gateway Name. Enter the new gateway name. Click OK. Gateway name has been changed successfully. Click Change Password and enter the new password. Enter the same password again. Click Reset Password. Password has been changed successfully. You can use backup to save your current settings. Backup has been made. If you forget your password, you can use the Reset Settings function. The password and previous settings will be reset to the default. Complete the reset settings, and AIRial will be restored directly. Enter the gateway. Re-enter your name. Go to Settings. Gateway Management. The password has been reset to the default. The previous quiet time setting has been removed too. If you want to resume the previous quiet time settings, you can restore the settings. Restore successfully. Check the gateway settings, and your settings should be restored. Now you have met our latest gateway feature. Just a quick tip on frequency switching when using gateway. To make it clear, we use different colors to label the channels of different frequencies. You can see when TV selects the orange channel, the mobile will only show the orange channels. No blue channel appears. But if the TV switches to any of the blue channels, which means switching to the different frequency, then the channels shown on the mobile will only be the blue channels. Okay, this is all an introduction of AIRialTV GO. If you have any questions, please write to support@AIRial.tv. Hope you enjoy. See you!